Here is an overview of the Connect tab in Astra DB. While we're in our database, we can navigate to the Connect tab. Here you can see we have multiple methods of connecting to Astra. We have APIs, drivers, SDKs, and other integrations. And as you can see here, we have documentation for the most popular API methods: the Document API, GraphQL API, and REST API. We have drivers available in a variety of popular languages. We have multiple languages for SDKs as well. And finally, here's a few integrations to connect to Astra DB. We'll be adding more in the future. For each of these connection methods, we have great documentation, which includes some prerequisites and then basic database queries to help get you started and interacting with your database. This Connect tab has everything you need to start making reads and writes within just a few minutes.